Ok.
Men altså, kamera ikke er der.
Skal jeg gå bakerst? Hadde kanskje vært bedre med vanlig ski.
Kanskje, ja.
Jeg var enig. Vi skal få flere.
Den da?
Det. Hva med det rett frem til venstre der da? Du må jo... Ja, jeg tenker ikke så langt til venstre, men rett ved stien her.
Ja, den der. Det er den. Eller den rett bak den.
Ja, jeg tenkte på det her, ja.
Den der.
Det der.
Ja.
Randy? Det er litt sånn spinkelt da.
Nei, men det var fint. Det var pent.
Ja.
I want to go more into the woods.
Okay.
Okay.
Men det er jo et fint.
I wouldn't follow me.
No, but Randy, you want to come back here for a second?
Your path is really the only path.
Okay, well just follow my path. It's not very easy.
Det er så pent det var.
Er nydelig ute nå.
We're not going to find a perfect tree.
We found a pretty good one over here.
You did?
Yeah. And like, I feel like the ones that are on the outskirts here are the best ones because they're
Well,
just going to
yeah,
get
that
bigger.
that very well might be true. They thin out at the top extremely.
Yeah.
All right, do you see one? Can you come out?
This way.
We're going to check out another one over here. Altså, det er veldig greit med veldig lite, tenker jeg.
Hæ?
Det er fint med ja,
Veldig lite.
ikke så lite, men nei, det var kanskje litt voldsomt med det andre der. Det er veldig spinkelt da.
Det der var
Hva med det rett bak det da?
Det ble stort. You look like The Shining. Altså det der. Det der.
Det der var ganske stygt, Henny.
Are you gonna be able to go through? Hey! Jesus. Really fun. The first one.
Randy, kom her og se.
Okay. I mean, we could do a lot more looking, but we can kind of stand over everything in there. They all look kind of the same.
Oi.
You're skiing now. These things do not work, do they? Here, you want a hand?
They're for like fun down little hills, I think. Yeah, yeah. Randy, dette her.
The second one.
This one.
That's too small.
I don't think so.
That is a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. That's sad.
Wait, we're gonna have a really small, self-grown tree. Kan du ski nedover? Jeg kan
Ja.
krasje inn i mamma.
Ja, Henny flytter ut av løypa, så hun kan...
Jeg kan krasje i deg.
Ja, ok, jeg flytter meg.
Ok, er du klare?
Yep.
Nei! Nei.
Hva skjedde da, da?
I mean, I will cut that down, but now I want to look a little more.
Okay.
I mean, this one, you know, these are nice. If we're going for super small.
Are they though?
This one out here is pretty.
I think this one has a nice shape.
Yeah.
Do you see the ones I just knocked this one off of?
Yeah.
Everybody's too much, so I don't even.
Er du ferdig med skia?
Kan du ikke gå, kan jeg ikke?
Du kan ta dem av. Ok, denne filmen er ikke så spennende akkurat nå.
Nei.
Kommer du ned, Mette?
Ja. Nå kommer jeg.
Ok.
Nei, jeg vil filme.
Ok, hun må kjøre et eller annet sted, altså en av oss blir... Mette
Nå
her...
er det 3 i... Jeg kan ikke kjøre midt imellom dere.
Ja.
Jeg kan ikke...
What about this?
I'm coming, just wait, I want to see.
Just a second, Mette is skiing.
Wow.
Oh. Ja! Ok, jeg kommer...
Dad, that's way too big.
Yeah. Why is that too big?
It's too big. We
Flat screen.
have no room.
Wait, I want to get close. I want to get
Have
closer.
a flat screen. You won't be able to watch TV.
We've been planning to watch a bunch of movies.
Yeah.
Okay, well, there,
That one's ugly.
that one,
Oh, unnskyld.
that one's ugly.
It's wonky, Dad. I think that one's a little too skinny.
Okay, I don't remember yours as being any
The one out there is more balanced.
Oh, please.
And full. Maybe that little one right in the middle there?
Yeah.
Let me look at that. It's very down turned.
Yeah. Wait, that one?
It feels like a little Christmas tree farm in here.
Kind of pathetic Christmas trees, but...
Sad trees.
Sad tree Christmas
All the talk of like
farm.
cutting our own Christmas tree. It's gonna look really beautiful. That's cute. Maybe we should get like 4 tiny ones. Come on. Let's see the perfect tree. Where is it?
I think the one that we saw. Actually, back here there were more tiny ones.
Yeah, there's the perfect tree.
What, a foot tall?
What, these? I think you need a little laugh. Okay. See, they're all the same.
They're all the same. They're all kind of ugly.
What about this one?
Which one?
You're going farther and farther in.
Vi må sjekke alle.
I think that's good.
That's a good one.
Okay, Mette, do you like this one?
Mette, kom hit og se.
Get there.
Hey, Mette.
Kan du ikke slutte å henge med noe snart?
Jo.
Det føltes
Look at that one.
ekstremt
Huh?
Do you see that one?
like the one that's most difficult to get to. Yes, I see it though.
I don't think it's
That
any
does look
better.
nice.
That was perfect, doesn't it?
Slutter du nå?
Skal jeg slutte?
That was really nice.
Vi må jo velge 3 før, og så slutter jeg.
Ok.
Dette her tenkte vi på.
Litt sånn spars.
Litt spinkelt.
Det har ikke så mye å liksom dekorere på her.
Det er skikkelig spinkle og triste alle sammen.
Oh, but this one is really nice.
Ja.
That was unnecessary.
Det er noen furu innimellom, ikke så mange.
This one? See that?
Yeah, I know. I think the one straight.
Or the straight
That
one?
one, no?
That's the one that...
Well, it's too tall, but
Is it too tall?
I think it's narrow enough.
I also think so. You could cut off the top a little.
ja.
Wait. Oh, it's not on our property.
Oh yeah, it's not ours.
Wait, no, but should I go over that? Not with you, with the two of you. Or take off the
Can I
two.
get around?
Yeah.
Hold this real quick.
Yeah.
Ok, så vi velger dette her.
Jeg tror det.
Ok.
Oh god, it's stuck.